What's going on, everybody? We're going to be doing a takedown of the Kimber Ultra Carry 2. There is no magazine. There is nothing in the chamber. Go ahead and take the slide, put it in the locked position. Take the NDZ Performance Takedown tool. Go ahead and slide it on the front of the recoil spring assembly. And you notice that when you release the slide lock, it places the takedown pin in a perfect position to take down. So go ahead and take it out, set it down, remove the slide, recoil spring, flip the tab down, remove the barrel. That's it. Now let's go ahead and take everything and put it back all together. So take your barrel, making sure the tabs flip down, and take your recoil spring assembly. When you're inserting it, make sure the curved end of the spring goes to the barrel. Then go ahead and line your slide rails up, push everything together, which places it in the perfect position to put your takedown pin. Insert the pin, and where the half moon shape or half circle is, line it up, snap it in. Then what you want to go ahead and do is take your slide, lock it back, and then go ahead and remove that takedown tool. When you're done, release the slide, give it a couple racks, and you're done. Thanks for watching.